Lloyds Bank Open Account Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open account online on Lloyds Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, opening account online on Lloyds Bank is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to lloydsbank.com, then just tap the menu option from the top of the screen here. Then here you'll find current accounts. So just tap on current accounts and tap on the current accounts option, and you should be able to see many sort of current accounts that are available for you to choose from. So here, let's say you want to open up a classic normal account, just tap on classic option. You'll be able to see all the details. So tap the ready to apply button and then just tap on continue without the app if you're not doing from the app. Now from here, these are some of the requirements that you need. Then from over here, just scroll down and tap on the continue button, and once you tap on the continue option on the next particular page, you will see all this interface again. Now over here, basically what you have to do is, are you an existing customer? Of course not. Do you already have a UK current account? Of course not. So here again, we will scroll down and tap on continue. Now it will ask us to give us a certain form. So here we have to enter all of our legal details to create a bank account based on our documents. So make sure to enter the first name. Middle name is optional. If you have, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, just skip it. You can tap the last name option, then enter your gender over here, and once you have done that, you can simply enter your title or suffix for Mr., Mrs., MX or DR, and then you can enter your phone number, then your email address, your date of birth, country, month. Continue option. Then after that, is going to ask you for some other verification details. It might also ask you to upload a document, so if it asks you to do that, make sure you upload legal documents. This way you should be able to open up Lloyds Bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.